So here are the 5 mistakes that I'll be covering in this video. The first mistake is spending too much time on theory. The second one is underestimating SQL skills. And then the third mistake is having too much technical jargon on your resume. And then the fourth mistake is overestimating the value of your academic degree. And then the fifth mistake is searching too narrow. With that, let's dive into the first mistake. So the first mistake is spending too much time on theory. I know we all take up these courses and do a lot of learn a lot of theoretical knowledge, but when it comes to data science and analytics, you need to have a lot of projects in data science and analytics. The reason why we spend time on theory is that you probably just took up a course, and that course contains like literally everything theoretical, but doesn't have a project that you can work on. So focusing on projects is a value add for your job profile. And then the second mistake is underestimating SQL skills. So many data scientists forget about SQL and how important SQL is. There are certain things that you can do in just SQL than on Python. So, and also recently I read that the research says that almost 80% of data scientists do not have SQL skills. So SQL skills is very important. So focus your efforts on learning the foundations of SQL. And then the third mistake that I wish I didn't do was having too much technical jargon on my resume. So I believe always have 2 different resumes. One for ATS, that is like with proper verbiage on your resume, and then the other one is technical recruiters, where you can put in not too much technical jargon, but more in terms of ease to understand, because not all technical recruiters know about data science or data analytics, right? And also don't forget to avoid technical jargon. Having too many complicated terms doesn't make you look really good. In fact, it feels like you're trying to confuse the recruiter. So try and keep it as simple as possible. With that, we head on to the fourth mistake that you need to avoid. Overestimating the value of your academic degree. I'm pretty sure this would surprise you, but with your academic degree, you can just get a job, right? After that, after you have 3 to 4 years of work experience in data, it wouldn't serve you much. People would look more in terms of what value you provided to the company, and that's why they would want to hire you. So I think based on the academic degrees, people would look at it, but in the long run, once you have a couple of years of experience, it really doesn't matter. And especially with data science and analytics being this huge field, I'm pretty sure I've personally met people who are so good at data just by being on the business side of things and understanding what is important to the organization. And then the fifth mistake that you need to avoid is searching too narrow. Sometimes when we are looking for jobs, especially as an entry-level data scientist or a data analyst, we tend to go too narrow. We just, apply on just one platform, and you're like, why am I not getting the job? Try to broaden your search. Look for more sources where you can apply. Indeed, there are many sources out there that can help you look for jobs. And also try getting into internships or just do some volunteering work. And also sometimes we tend to go too narrow on the job profile itself, especially the job type. And sometimes we tend to go too narrow on the job title. If you are looking for a data scientist entry-level job, Sometimes there are data analyst jobs that have data science functions, but there are some data analyst jobs that have some sort of data science functions. So in this space of data, the titles are used interchangeably sometimes because you need to read the job description clearly to see if you are the right fit. With that, I hope this video helped you and helped you learn some of the mistakes that you should be avoiding. Do let me know in comments below if this video helped you, and watch this space for more content on career in data. Thank you.